Hello, this is DEVELOPMENT Asharaf from Department of Computer Science and Designing from SNS College of Engineering. To be continued with the previous topic, now we are going to see the advanced iterations. What is iterations we will see, then we will go for advanced iterations. So here in JavaScript, we are going to see iterators and iterables. So JavaScript iterator, what is JavaScript iterator? So, iterator is an object or a pattern that allows us to traverse over a list or collections. So, here it defines the sequence and implement the iterator protocol that returns an object by using a next method that contains value and is done. Here again I'm saying like iterators, it will be in a sequence, and when this iterator protocol returns an object using the next method, next of method, and it contains that value and is done. The value contains the next value of iterator sequence, and the done is the boolean value of true or false. If the last value of the sequence has been consumed, then it is true, else it is a false. Okay. Now it provides a protocol to iterate over data structures. So why we call it as a data structures here? Because of we follow the iterating protocol. So this protocol defines how these data structures are iterated over using the for of loop. Okay. So the main concept of the protocol can be split into two, which is called it as a iterable or a iterator. So the iterator protocol mentioned that an iterable should have the symbol dot iterator key. So this will be the main protocol. We can mention it as a symbol iterator key. So the JavaScript provides a protocol to iterate over using the Java's data structures using the for of loop. Okay. Next, what is JavaScript iterables? So here is, as we mentioned, the data structure that we are going to use here. We have the we are going to use how we are going to have like a symbol dot iterator method called it as a iterables. So the data structures that have the symbol dot iterator method are called iterables. For example, array, string, set, example. These are that's in that method only we are going to see the JavaScript iterables. That's why we are using data structures here. So the main syntax we will see like we'll see as a constant department is a CSC department. Okay. For example, for let n of department equal to symbol dot iterator. So the symbol dot iterator is nothing but the condition if checks if it is a true, and if it display as a CST department. If it is not, it will display as a false statement. So that's why we are using for this iterables. Next, JavaScript iterators and iterables. Here, it provides a protocol to iterate over data structures. This protocol defines how these data structures are iterated over using for loop, and the concept of the protocol can be split into iterable or iterator. This iterable protocol mentions that an iterable should have the symbol iterator. Again, what is JavaScript iterators? An iterator is an object that is returned by the symbol dot iterator. Previously, we have seen the data structures that have the symbol dot iterator called as iterables. So here, the iterator, which is defined as an object that is returned by the symbol dot iterator, the iterator protocol provides the next method to access each element of the iterable data structure one at a time. So one by one only, it will go for a next method. So the iterator protocol defines how to produce a sequence of values from an object. So the object becomes an iterator when it implements a next method. We will see an example. For example, constant of array is my array of hello. Okay, which is in a string format. So let alt iterator equal to array of symbol dot iterator, which is a console login for array iterator next to next. So the value will be the h of value and the h of done. If it is a false statement, it will be executing the next statement. So my value 1 if it is done, then if it is a false, it will go to the next, and again if the fall is L, if it is going to for next words, it will value first for H, E, L, L, O. Okay, so if it is undefined, if it only if it is an undefined one, it will become as a true, else it is a past. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.